Yeah, before I forget, our promo is coming up end of the month. So after allowing it to sit for 3 hours, you can see result. So for the giveaway, I'm using this. This is gonna be my bottle for vitamin C serum, and this also is gonna be for one of my anabolic serum as well. Might be using it also for my oil, facial oil. I've not decided yet, but yeah. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the end result, how it looks. I love this and it's very effective. Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to quickly show you guys how I make my vitamin C. I'm using the vitamin C derivative, which is unstable, unlike the ascorbic acid, which is unstable. You can use it, but especially you can use it for yourself, personal use. But if you're using it to sell out, that means you have to take it to the lab for them to carry out the a microbiome challenge test in order to determine the durability of the product. That is, they will have to run it through incubator and then speed up the microbiome process for them to determine the durability. I mean, for them to tell you if it's going to be okay to use up to 6 months, 3 months, or a year or 2 years. So that is what I mean. And apart from that, they still, you need to carry out stability tests. Apart from stability tests, you have to go through the assessor processing for them, and also get a certificate for that. If you're doing a mass production or you're giving it out, you have to be careful when you're doing skincare is a broad spectrum, and you have to follow the rules and regulation that comes along with it. So I'm making this derivative, which is more stable, and this derivative is expensive. The one I'm going to be using is the ethane ascorbic acid. I'm going to leave the name on the screen. We've got different type. They have varieties of the derivative of vitamin C, and alongside I'm going to be using my German Plus, the liquid German Plus preservative. I'm using the dragon fruit extract. Also I'm going to be using the vitamin C, which I have already in here I have the vitamin E, anabolic acid with glycerin. So glycerin is in there already dissolved. So I'm going to start off by measuring out the water. Make sure your environment is clean. I have my sanitizer cleanser, which is the alcohol, and then I have my tissue. Everything is all wiped, the surface, everything is clean. I just don't know why I don't like putting stuff on the surface. So this is how I do my thing, so never mind. So I'm going to measure out the water. I'm using distilled water. Some people use ionized water, but preferably I like using distilled water. I'm going to add the vitamin C in it. Exactly. So then you stir to dissolve it. You see, everything is dissolved. Is for me to add this is going to be my phase A. My phase A, it consists of the glycerin, anabolic acid with vitamin E, and in this I've got the distilled water with vitamin C derivative. I've already shown you the name. I'm going to put the name on the screen. This derivative is a guaranteed skin lightening. It helps to lighten up the skin. Vitamin C, as we know, helps to boost collagen, helps to fight against free radical. It contains loads and loads of antioxidant that helps to brighten the skin tone. So I'm not going to go into deep details about this. You guys can google it to, make your own research. I'm going to be using the dragon fruit. I'm using 2%. The suggestion or recommended usage is range from 1% to like about 10%, and you can decide to use any of the range you want to use. I'm using 2% of this, so yeah. Don't worry, make sure you watch the video to the end. I'm going to leave everything at the end of the video or in between, so you have to watch the video. This is the dragon fruit. Yeah, so is to use the berry. So my goji berry, I'm going to dissolve it in here. I don't have the extra, but I got the powder, so notwithstanding, it's okay. I'm using 2% of that. That you can decide to use 1%, doesn't really matter. So, but I'm going to be using 2% of the goji berry. And we know berry are good for skin lightening. Berry, trust me. 2%. Best to see, don't do it the way I'm doing it. You can get a small container, measure it out, and make sure it's dissolved. Then you pour it in there. Yeah, exactly the quantity I want. So this is the goji berry I'm using. So the goji berry is almost dissolved. Hope you guys can see. So next is to add the green tea. I'm using green tea. Green tea, as we know, helps to improve the appearance of damaged skin by helping to tone up the epidermic layer of the skin. That is, it helps to brighten up skin tone. It helps to fight against free radical, helps to fight against fine line, wrinkle, and so on. And it helps to tone up the skin. Green tea, yes. I'll be using 2%. Yeah, so an amazing product I'm using in here. So the next one is to use my liquid German Plus, using 0.5%. Do it this way. Yeah, exactly what I want. I got this color because of the goji berry I use. So put this aside. So next is to add my anabolic acid dissolved in glycerin, and also has vitamin E in it. Then get your hand mixer. I'm using this. So our vitamin C with anabolic acid and other ingredients is available. Is ready. I mean, you can decide to use watermelon in it. It depends, the extract, or infuse water like anhydrous water. You can use it. And yeah, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and make sure you watch the video. You can share to your friends and family on your social media platform. You can try out this recipe. I'm going to be giving out some of this recipe, so for you to enter the draw, you need to go subscribe. You need to go follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to be giving out 5 of this product out, the vitamin C derivative. You can google it. It's an amazing product that is very good. It helps with skin lightening. It helps to fight against discoloration, improve sunburn, improve hyperpigmentation, fade away any acne scars. So it's amazing. The derivative we use in it and other products will help give you that benefit that you want. Green tea, as we know, is amazing. It's good, rich in antioxidant that helps to fight against free radical, helps to improve the appearance of damaged skin cell by repairing the skin, and also lighten up the epidermic layer of the skin. It helps to reduce fine line, wrinkle, helps with saggy skin. Green tea, you can also use it on your hair to if you got damaged hair. So the benefit of these products are amazing. Trust me, this product, I'm gonna leave it to sit for some time, for 24 hours, so that the glossiness of the anabolic acid can be pronounced. And this product is amazing. I'm giving out 5 of this product out for you to enter for the draw. All you need to do is for you to go follow me on my Instagram page, leave a comment and write giveaway. It's gonna be starting on the 30th of this month, which is May. And for those that will be entitled to this draw will be those living in the EU or UK. If you're in UK, yeah, London, Canada, those of my fans in Canada, US, I'm sorry, Africa, I'm sorry, the postage is expensive, so I won't be doing that. And my sales is going to be coming up sales is coming up end of this month, May, so you don't want to miss out. It's just a 3 days sale, so you don't want to miss out. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram, follow me TikTok, follow me on my Snapchat. If you want to buy any ingredient, okay. And for those of you asking me for class, yeah, I'm gonna be telling you that immediately after the promo. So I'm gonna be telling the promo ends, I will be announcing the date of my first ever skincare training class, so you guys can have the advantage to benefit, and also you can also get your hands on my books. So yeah, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. You can see, wow, this is amazing. If you want to do, initially I put the phase A in phase B, which has the water phase. The phase A is the one I said has the anabolic dissolved in glycerin and vitamin E. So because I'm using a smaller container, that's why I had to do it. The best way to do it is for you to pour phase B into A. That way, as you're adding it, you add it gradually while you use your stick blender and blend gradually. That way you get a smoother consistency. And yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit for this to all dissolve and all merge to it. So I'm gonna be making a bigger batch for the giveaway, so don't miss out. Make sure you go follow me on my IG. You don't want to miss out. This product is amazing. The way I will make the one I sell out is different from the way from this one I'm showing you, but this one is very effective. When you use it, it contains goji berry, it contains dragon fruit extract. We know the benefit of this product on the skin. You can Google it. And also it contains vitamin E, vitamin C derivative, which is much more stable. And yeah, thank you so much. Other alternative extract you can add into it is watermelon. You can add your hydrolyzed rice protein. You can add cucumber extract. You can add other extract that you feel are okay, but you need to Google it to make sure it's compatible with the pH of the product. So yeah, so doing the pH, the pH of any derivative of vitamin C, normally vitamin C, the pH is normally from 3 to 4, yeah, or 4.5, yeah. But the derivative, when you're formulating with the vitamin C derivative, the pH has to be between 5 to 6.5. So as you can see, when you check now, you can see it's just on 5. So which is okay, very okay, which is for within the range. Is amazing. So this product is amazing with great feedback. So thank you. Bye. Subscribe.